Bonjour tout le monde, welcome back to Montreal Rides. How's everyone doing today? It's a warm day, so I'm wearing my white jacket. Reflect the sun, and it's got a bunch of pores in it to let it breathe. Anyways, I'm going to the service center. Well, first I'm going to the shop for the let me just concentrate here. So first I'm going to the store to see where I'm at when it comes to remember my old, now illegal UQi Plus scooter e-bike. It couldn't decide which one it was, an e-bike or a scooter. Well, the store offered to buy it back for store credit. The problem was so many people returned theirs because it's now illegal in the entire province that there's a waiting list. They don't have enough space. So I'm going to start by doing that, and then I'll be going to the service center. Oh, I guess we didn't have to do that. And then I'm going to the service center because I am overdue for a tune-up. I am at 4,534 kilometers on this little puppy. And the last time I did a tune-up was around 1,400 kilometers. So it's due. And let me turn on the correct street here. Go. So that's pretty much it. A ride to the store, a ride to the service center, and some commentary at the end. So for now, just a quick 1 minute musical interlude to the store. See you there. Hello again. So I can just bring my scooter with one of the batteries. They won't take both batteries, so I'll give them my least used batteries to get the most money back. So I can just show up nice at the service center. I don't even have to go to the store, just at the service center with my scooter, and they'll inspect it, they'll look at the mileage, they inspect the battery, they evaluate it, and they give me store credit. Now, the only bikes that they have so far are huge bikes, which were legal but were recently capped in the software for a speed limit. And the seat is adjustable, but like large, quote unquote, adjustable to fit the I am legal box. But it's too big. I already have a scooter. I don't need another large vehicle. So they're out of BQIs, the normal e-bike that belongs to NIU. So there's not much I can buy. I can buy a new scooter. Basically, it's a store credit, a general store credit. So I will do it because I can't use it. There's no point for me to have that old illegal fake moped, fake e-bike, little guy. So yeah, that's it. Get rid of it, get some store credit, eventually spend the store credit. Maybe I'll need to buy some batteries. Maybe I'll want to put it on a new one, on a replacement for this. You know, all kinds of possibilities. At least it won't be right now in my downstairs neighbor's backyard. And then I was just going to move it to my parents' backyard, and it's been hopping around for like ever since it got banned, trying to find a place to be out of the way but still accessible. So that answers that box. The other point now is to go to the service center, get a tune-up. Figure we go downtown a bit, see the people. I have not been out enough, so I need to get I need to see people. So everybody's in the right lane and just now discovered that they can go, that they should go left. For fuck's sake. So for now, let's just continue with the music. Another 1-minute interlude. See you soon. So here we are. Let me take a moment to get this tuned up. I'll take a break. And welcome back. So I will not be dropping my scooter for a tune-up right now. Let me go left this time, because well, you know, I could have dropped it and go a few days without it. And that's the thing, last time I dropped it, it took an hour, but this time he says he's busy, so it's gonna take many days for them to do the tune-up, fill up the brake fluid, check everything, you know, general tune-up. So let me just drop this. So I will bring it back in a few days, a bit before there's a bit of rain for another few days. That way, since I don't ride in the rain usually, they'll be able to take it away, and I'll be able to come back home, be prepared. I'm sorry about that. I got distracted. I am a guy. So as I was saying, what was I saying? Yes, I will bring it back in a few days, a day before it rains for a few days. That way it's okay to not have it with me. What I'll do next time is give you guys a review of over 4,500 kilometers on a NIU NQi GTS. Give you the ups and downs, the pros and cons, go over the specs and stuff. I will be doing that in the next video. I will bring it to the shop, and before stepping into the shop, I'll give my review and then drop it off. So for the rest of this ride, since nothing happened really, I'm just gonna ride around for a bit, give you another track to listen to for the next couple of minutes, as that's it, as we leave, as I say goodbye. So not much happening, but if you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, subscribe down below. I'll try to post more often now that the weather is fine. Alors je vous souhaite une bonne journée, stay safe on the roads, and I'll see you in the next episode. Ciao. Now let's get some speed.